Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TensorFlow with GPU support on Windows step by step clearly. Ensure your system meets the requirements for TensorFlow with GPU support. Install the appropriate version of Python, preferably Python 3.7 or later. Visit the official Python website to download the installer. During installation, check the box that says Add Python to Path. After Python is installed, open Command Prompt. Use the command Python version to verify your installation. Next, install the latest version of pip, Python's package manager. Use the command Python mpip install upgrade pip to upgrade pip. Now, you need to install the NVIDIA GPU drivers. Visit the NVIDIA website to download the latest drivers for your GPU. Follow the prompts to install the NVIDIA drivers on your system. After the installation, restart your computer if prompted. Next, download and install the CUDA toolkit. Visit the NVIDIA developer site and locate the CUDA toolkit download section. Select the version compatible with your TensorFlow version, ideally CUDA 11.2. Follow the installer instructions to complete the installation. Now, download and install CUDNN. Visit the NVIDIA CUDNN page and sign in or create an account. Select the version that matches your installed CUDA version. Download the CUDNN zip file. Extract the zip file and copy the CUDNN files to your CUDA installation directory. This typically involves copying files into C:\program files \NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit \CUDA \V11.2. Now, it's time to set the environment variables. Search for environment variables in your Windows search bar. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, find and select the path variable. Click Edit, and add the paths to your CUDA and CUDNN directories. These typically are C:\program files \NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit \. Use the command pip install TensorFlow to install TensorFlow. If you require the version with GPU support, use pip install TensorFlow GPU. Once the installation is complete, verify the installation. Open a Python shell by typing Python in command prompt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.